Hey everyone, hello. Hello, welcome to another stream of Global Hack Week. And this stream is all about hacking with Bob Ross. And if you don't know who Bob Ross is, he is an amazing painter. So we'll get started in like 5 minutes. Hello, welcome. And after this session, we will be playing a small game which we'll be playing a small game. So it'll be timer based and I won't spoil it much now. Is there a voice hack? Okay. Now, okay, so I think we have enough audience right now and we can get started. So, I'll request all of you to just open your Visual Studio Code or any code editor you use, and I'll explain what I'll be doing right now. This is a small hack which we will be building our own custom drawing application. Does that sound fun? Okay. So let me open my. Yes, Bob Ross is actually supposed to be like done on MS Paint, which we usually do, but there's a small change. So currently we are going to be using Visual Studio Code and we will be building our own mini application on which is like very customized. It's for all of you. Like you can make anything. It's like MS Paint, but it's browser based, and we will be coding in normal HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So it's very beginner friendly, and just give me a confirmation that if you have opened your Visual Studio Codes or any code editor and you're ready to hack. All good? All ready? Yes. So what are we going to do it? Yeah, you can do it as a Replit on Replit 2. So let's get start by creating a normal index.html, style.css, and javascript.js. And then what I did is like put on some basic HTML syntax here, like added the style sheet, added the script.js here. Okay, so without a further ado, let's get started. First, uh, HTML markup. So it is a standard HTML thing. We have linked the CSS file, and in the body, we'll create a section of the container where you can um, make your own drawing app. So we will first start by creating a section and we'll name it as container. So we will be doing all our stuff in this. Okay, and then we'll make a toolbar. Toolbar is for like selecting your colors, the brush stroke, and all. So we will be doing that. We will create a div, give it an ID so that we can get it from JavaScript later on. Toolbar. Oops. Okay. You can follow along with me, or else like you can also do one thing, which is watch the stream again if you don't get it, and it's okay if you can follow along. I'm going very slow. We'll start with the H1 section, like we'll create our own logo. What should we call it? Let's call it Blahadros. Okay, and then we can create a label. This is for the stroke, like which you will be creating the brush strokes on the canvas. So we will be creating that first. Label for stroke. And then we'll give it a name. Name we can keep it as it is, which is stroke. Oops, I keep making mistakes. Okay, and then we can keep a type, which is color. And yep, we are done with this. Uh, Wait, did I miss something? Yes. We will create an input now. So the input will be like the size of the brush stroke, okay? So we can keep it for like 5, 1, 2, the size of the brush stroke. Input ID equal to, is my voice going? Okay. Let's start again. Okay. And then we'll give it a name again. Okay. And we did some mistake. Like that should be here. Okay. And now we'll create the line width. The same thing which we did for stroke, label for and line width again. Now we'll create another input ID. And the name. And then type. This will be the number. I made a mistake here, which was the stroke is for the brush stroke, and this will be the uh, brush stroke will be like we can pick the colors, and line width will be the number. Like we can input number from 1 to 5, and then we can see how much width of the brush stroke you need. Okay, and then type equals to number, and we can put the value as 5. Okay, and we will make a button now, so that when you finish the drawing we need to clear it. So we will make a button. We will name it as clear. Okay, and now we will create a drawing board. We will create a div class. Okay, and we will create a canvas in it. This ID we will name it as drawing board again. And done. Okay, so we can close this section and we are done with our HTML file. Okay, once you can check it out. So first we created a container, and then we added a toolbar, and we made our logo, which we call it as Blahajos, and then we made a stroke and then gave it an input, which will be our color picker, and then we made a line width, like when the stroke we do how much width it can be, so we gave it a number. And then we made a clear button, so like when we finish our drawing we can clear it. And we create our canvas. Okay, so we are done with our basic HTML file, and now let's move on to CSS. uh, I hope you are following, and if you are not, I mean, it's fine. We will first start by creating a body, and we will give it as margin 0. Okay, and then padding 0, and height, which will be 100, and overflow. We will hide the scroll bar, so we will use overflow here. We will keep it as hidden. Okay, and then we will pick a color of the canvas, which is white. I mean, you can even draw on a blackboard, I don't mind. So we will keep it as white for now, and we are done with the body. let's move on to our logo. Um, what can we keep this as? We can make it blue. Let's keep the background, some color, we can keep it blue, and we can do a container. First height, we'll keep it 100. And then we will keep display flex. Okay. And we are done with this, I guess. Now we can get started with the toolbar. First, we will do display flex again, and flex direction. We will make it as a column, and then we'll give it a padding of 5 pixels. And width, we will give it 70. Okay. And then we will keep a background color. We can keep something dark. It's for toolbar. You can keep it anything you like. I'll go with I'll go with black. Okay. So now we are done with toolbar, I guess. No, we are not done with. We have to give margin to it. Margin will keep it bottom, and we'll give it 6. Mm, we have to still make a toolbar label. We will put the font size. We'll give it 12, and toolbar input. Uh, width, we'll make it 100%. And then what's left? We are left with toolbar button. We will make the background color. Make it as pink. border. We'll give no border to it, so keep it none. And border radius, we'll keep it 4 pixels. We'll give the color and we'll give the height of 2 pixels. Okay, so I think we are done with our style CSS2. How are you all doing? If you joined just now, it's no worries. You can just follow along again. You can see the stream again. And now we will move on to our JS file. So we will do the basic scripting now of our application. So first we will make our element ID to get the IDs of everything. So first we will need a constant canvas by get element ID. And we will first do with drawing board, which we already did in index.html file if you remember. See, we have made a class called drawing board, so we will get that ID here in script. Also, you can what you can do is you can just go live here and see how much the progress we made. So okay, you can see that we have our logo. I should have made this a bit broader. So we can see our canvas already. So when we click it, nothing happens because we haven't done the scripting yet. But you can see the stroke and see, you can choose colors here already. Yay, we made some progress. If you can see this, you are doing great. Okay. And we can see the line width here. We can select our line width and clear. So all buttons are working for now and we can close this window. Let's get back to the JS file and we'll get our toolbar here. And we'll get the toolbar. We will make it we because canvas or context. We'll make it 2D. Should const. Okay, so we will see that the canvas offset, like the canvas which we made already. Let's go live once again so that I can explain it. Okay, so this is our canvas and we have to take offset from left and top. Okay, so we can set the canvas offset of x and y. So we will do that now. Offset left and offset y, offset top. We will set the width of the canvas. It should be the window inner width. Okay, let's close this one. We will also get a save option. Oh yeah, you can add that option. I'm currently not adding that, but yeah, you can add that option. Did I make some mistake? Let's see. No. Okay, get context. Yep. So now we will set the canvas width. Canvas dot width equals to window dot inner width minus canvas offset x. Then we will set the canvas height. Equals to window dot inner height, and we will minus it from canvas offset of y. Okay, so far so good. And then we will set the function of the painting now. Once the canvas is set, we will see how we can paint it. So I will create one is drawing, when it's false, and then line width, we can make it max 5. So set the line width to 5, and we will put let start x, let start 5. Now we will add our toolbar here. Toolbar dot add event listener, so event listener when on click, dot target dot id, then we will put it as clear, and get dot clear rectangle. So we will clear our whole canvas by like all the we will turn all the pixels into white again. So we have to make that 0, 0 and canvas dot width, canvas dot height, and okay. Now we have finished the clear button, and we will add another functionality here. Toolbar dot add event listener, range, oops, if e dot target dot id equals to stroke. So this is our stroke functionality. Then ctx dot stroke style equals a dot target dot we will get the value, and we are done here. Now we will see how we can create the functionality of drawing. Okay, for draw, if is drawing, we will see that if we are drawing, we will return it. Oops. Return. Okay, now we have a function for that, and now we can add the line width equals to line. And now we will see that how can we make it like when we are drawing, how can we create the lines. So we will create a functionality when we press the mouse button down. We will see that it is true and the lines are visible on our canvas, and when we left it out it is false. So we will create that ctx.92 canvas. ctx.stroke. um, for offset x and y remove const y. Okay, let's see. First we can finish it, and we can debug it if there is errors. Okay, wait, did I miss something? This. Okay, so this should be okay. No, canvas dot add event listener. We will do mouse down. So whenever our mouse button is down, we can get the lines. Is painting, sorry, is drawing. We made it is drawing, and we'll keep it true. And start x equals to e dot client x start y equals to e dot client Y. Okay, okay. Now we will see when we do mouse up, I mean when we leave the mouse button, we shouldn't see the lines when we move the cursor. Let's go to live version once and see how this works. Okay, do we see any lines yet? We have selected the color. We don't see any lines yet. Did we do some mistake? Let's see. We made the mouse down function. I think we have to debug it. So I have some 26 people still here. So could you tell me what I made wrong? Let's see, how can we debug it? I think I found the mistake. Oops, wait a minute. So I think we can clear react should be clear red. Okay, let's try that. Okay, we found clear react and what else? I think it's still not working. Oh, oops, I accidentally closed my screen. Just a minute. Let me share it. Okay, I hope it is now visible. Clear rect, yep. Okay, so someone suggested that clear actually clear rect. That was my mistake. So, okay, we've changed that and we still have some issues, which is why it is not working yet. Let's see. Um we made mouse move. What else? Let's try something else. Just a minute. Oops. Did I just close my stream? No. Oh no. Uh, Remove line. Okay. Where? Eight. Let's see now. Oh, it is not working. Everybody move on. Okay, let me check the errors. Oh no, it's broken. Do you still see like black screen? Just a minute. There are two on my name. So once again. Uh, oh, what shall we do now? Just a second. The typical errors keep happening, and I do not expect it. It's always like this. So it's still loading. This is a disaster. Okay, I think this works now. Yay, it did. Thank God. Okay, let's go line by line. First, we will see, okay, the drawing board, toolbar, all this is good. And offset X, offset Y. And then we did the inner bit. Then we did if is painting is false. Then we made the clear red, which was corrected. Thank you, audience. And then the toolbar, advent listener, then stroke, then line width, is painting. And okay, I think the bracket was the error. They should be inside. So with that, and then mouse down, which is if B is true, then we will see the lines on it, and mouse up if the painting is false. And when the mouse moves, we can also draw. Let's see if what if we remove this line, go and one can go live. Bob Ross is with us. Yes, just a minute. We will go live and see. I will select the entire screen to show. Okay. Okay. So we will go live and let's refresh. I hope this works now. Uh, oh yeah, sure. I will share this for let's go live now. I will share this in a GitHub repo and okay. Fingers crossed. Let's hope this works. Okay. So we have the stroke, we have the line width, and have the clear button. We will select some color. All this works properly. Okay. The line width. Oops, it still not work. I leave it. Wait, no. Mm. Okay, what we can do in the meanwhile, I still have some time, I guess. So in the meantime, what we can do is if someone would like to come up on team, we can debug this together. till then, I can tell you a fun fact. Did you know Bob Ross had made like 500 plus paintings in his whole lifetime? And what we can do is take a small break, watch Bob Ross. Let's take a short because debugging will be long. I would like to check from the start, and once I find it, we'll make a quick summary and then we will get started again. Vice chaplain, I don't know. My brain is also lagging, audio lagging. Let's take a small break. Okay. Okay, the mention this. I'm break. I'll come back after debugging my app. I am still here. let's not wait too much. We will try to do it from here. Do something. Let me see. Yes, we are back. So, everyone start to share. What do you like new? I'm so sorry for that. What is happening? Uh, I hope the screen is it is not then we will design. We have the show, the language, the level, then everything set, and we'll color is green. Let's go. It is now. I think I realized it was pretty good. Uh, but so okay, wait, let me just. So, why there's not Does the audiences vote? I mean, who are following till now? Should we specify the channel they had? I mean, we did like the in the screen, which is our screen size, and then we separated from that. So I don't think we need to specify it. I am researching too long. I have no idea why this is happening. But it worked fine when I did it in guidance for once. So I was only playing it because it's not happening very well. Or at least very much. Oh, oh wow. Okay. But let's see what we do. But anyways, I think we are like running out of time and the lag is really bad. So I'll skip the game part and once I debug this, I'll probably post it in ML Discord on like the code. I did a but then again the job. So yeah, I'm sorry about this stream. So we will do this again if I get one more stream and we do this better. I really hope I can do this better. But yeah, let's hope this works and I fix all the bugs and do it again. Thank you for staying with me till now. Really would love to audience because big corrected mistakes right with me. So we hope I can finish this and make it work and show you guys a lunch with them. So I'll probably post it in Discord and do congratulate me if I do. Thank you for staying with me till now. You guys like but please let me know because I'm kind of stuck in this. So thank you once again and hope to meet you in the session. Bye.